What's up, my peoples out there? It's your boy, Big Marcells, and today I got the 50 calibers and the Baby Desert Eagle and the Gamble Whisper rifle lined up. We gonna see what it do against a thick tin foil can. You know what I'm saying? So we gonna line some shit up. Thanks for logging in. You know what I mean? It's your boy, Big Marcells. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Let me show you what we're working with. So I got this Goya tin can, untouched. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna see what we do. And these are solid, you know? These them solid tin cans. Like, see? I mean, brand new. So we gonna see what that do. You feel me? Then I got the 250 cows. Yes, Lord. Get a load of it. Love it. Got the 250s. I still gotta clean that one off. All that Pepto-Bismol shooting. And then this the TP 50 cal. This the TP 50 caliber. And this the HDR 50. Stands for revolver. The P stands for pistol. Alright? You know what I'm saying? Yes, Lord. Then I got the rifle lined up right here with the 10 shots. This definitely could kill something. Big bore, small game, medium game, you name it. You know what I'm saying? And I still got the Pooh Shiesty, feel me? Stop playing. Still got the Pooh Shiesty. I got these super point 200 count, specially designed for hunting, environment control, precise tolerance for maximum penetration. You know what I'm saying? Cal 22. So I got that ready. All right, eyes and ears is ready. You already know, man. We about to blow some shit. Big five. It's your boy. You already know, man. So I'm holding the phone with one hand. I'm gonna have to make my own stand because obviously this one broke. So I need to invest in a new one. I need to see if I can, you know what I mean, hook y'all up so y'all can see something real quick in a second. Wow, shoot. You know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, I'm gonna sit you guys right here. See if this will work. In fact, put it right here. Hold on, one second. Gotta make the view better for y'all. 1 second. Okay, I can see that. Alright, so I'm gonna start with the 22 first. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just do the shots and put on my eyes and ears real quick. I'm gonna do all 10 shots. 1, 2, 3. All right. Ooh. Drop my baby. That was the results from the Gamma Swarm rifle. Let's check that out. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Definitely put a number. Yeah, them holes is 22. Let's look at that real good. We're shooting through the top also. As you see, we got clean penetration. Big holes. 22 ain't no joke. All right, into the back wall. Now it's time for the 50. All right, we're going to shoot the TP50 first, then we're going to shoot the revolver. And I already got some loaded in there, PVC rounds. You can see that. 50 cal, 13 joules, Umarex. You already know. Big hole, fiber optic sights. Can't beat that with a bat. You feel me? T4E. Let's put some big holes into that. Feel me? Yes, sir. It's your boy, Big Marcel's. It's your boy. You know what I'm saying? All right, so you gotta hit that strike to make the indicate come out that you got air. When you do that, pierce the cylinder. Boom, it's pierced. All right, should double tap again. All right, let's shoot. This thing, it's gonna be a little loud. I'm gonna go for the center mass. All right, we get the. So that was the TP50. We have, yeah, not definitely a penetration. Big hole, big hole. Yeah. So this was the rifle up here, TP50 right here. So, did we get some penetration? Looks like maybe. 50 cal hole, probably right there. You can tell it's so big and bulgy. It's gotta be. And probably one of them probably went through the same hole. And it looks like right there. And it looks like right there. These, maybe, I don't know. But definitely comparable to the 22. Oh, big damage. All right, T4E time. You're gonna, I got the, see what I got loaded in there. We got them Devastator rounds. Big fire, all right? So let's put them Devastator rounds in there. All right, they're in there. So when your barrel loose again like this, all you do is take your finger and you kind of push in a little and twist a little, all right? What that does is tighten the spring that's controlled. See how is it tight now? That's controlled, all right? Time is money. All right, so let's get it, feel me? Big juice on, big drip. All right, polo fit, feel me? We out here. Looking good on a Sunday, feel me? It's your boy, Big Marcel's. You know what I'm saying? Don't cross that gun line, boss. Don't cross that gun line. Feel me? Okay, so let's grab this 50. Almost broke my other phone. Let's grab this 50. Put some shots on it. All right. Love this thing, man. It's beautiful. All right, so okay, as you see, it's loaded. It's loaded, like my boy Evan Gwithin says it's wooded. Him and my nigga GAG Hustle. That's my guys. All right, let's put some. I'm gonna turn this so we can know where we're shooting at. Clean area. Let's put some. See who's more powerful. Put some T1450 holes in them. All right, let's go. 6 shots. Hold that. Okay, that was 1 hole. Okay. Big dent. Shit, that's the 2nd shot. Another dent. Let's do a close range in the same area. Okay, we got a hole down there. So that one kind of smeared. Not that time. Big dent in the back. So it takes at least 2 shots to pierce this thing. All right, so let's rapid fire the rest. All out. All right. T350. That's how that's done. I can smell the air in here. Boy, ooh, sticking to the. That's the results. Y'all let me know which one y'all think did better damage. This was the revolver HDR 50. And this side, wait, damn, I got confused. Well, y'all see the video. You know what I'm saying? Just watch that shit. It's your boy. You already know. Stay tuned for some more. And don't cross that gun line, boss. You feel me? All right? I'm out of here.